Forest Crest in Batulao, Nasugbu, Batangas. So, we just had our meeting, product updates here, and they already discussed the new rates, the more amenities, and of course, the Bayview Park Hotel in Manila. We just had so many fun because of the raffle, the games, the food, etc., etc. And we're now going for the ocular inspection, and you can see this. It's like in Baguio, there's a treetop adventure, and there's a lot of team building here. So we encourage everyone to come here and experience this beautiful place in Nasugbu, Batangas. And of course, you will enjoy staycation, team building, MICE, conference, meetings. So everything here. It's a one-stop place in Batangas. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And there's more fun. We can share to you upon our ocular. So we're here in the Forest Crest. Okay, pagsalidiin mo sila, you say something about Bayview.
Hello po! Discover, learn, and stay with us!
Yes! Your home by the bed! I think what's the goal or what is the species of the orchids? Cattleya. This is Cattleya. Ano to? Ha? Phanalopsis is the species of these orchids. So, you see the beautiful flowers like this. And of course, this one, it's 850 per
per pot.
Per pot. And so nice and so beautiful. And of course, the fresh produce from their farm. It's an organic. So this is beans, and of course, papaya. And the kalabasa. And sitaw. Kare-kare na to. And the kamatis. And so, bili na kayo. Fresh to. Ito mga imported na lettuce. Murang-mura lang po. Maganda. Okay, would like to show you one of their function room. They can accommodate around 500 persons here. So you can do MICE, meetings, incentives, exhibition, and what do you call that? MICE. So the food is excellent. Promise. Nabusog kami talaga. So very, very convenient place. One stop, as I said before, dito na lahat. Nandito na siya lahat. Wala na kayong hahanapin pa. So, book na. I'd like to thank Bayview Park Hotel. Thank you for inviting us here in Forest Crest. They are partners with Bayview Park Hotel and Forest Crest. They are so generous. We had so much fun, so much laughter, so much adrenaline. Because of the raffle, because of the game, the bringing, and the beautiful people of Bayview Park Hotel. So, next time, book the years of Forest Crest and of course, the Bayview Park Hotel, your home by the way. And next time, sama na sa vlog ni Charlotte. Thank you!
Thank you!
The parking space here in Forest Crest, and there's a building there, and also you can find here, and your car or your vehicle will not be put into sun because there's a lot of shade and a lot of trees here. So it's very, very greenery. what you can say, it's a fauna and fauna. So, enjoy here. By the way, all activities here in Forest Crest have I think it's an optional, so you have to avail if you want to try. This is rates. You can see the rates. It's per head.
Wow. Wave pool. Yan yung wave pool, tita.
Yung wave pool.
Yes.
Ito yung wave pool, pero pupunta kami sa wave pool. And I thought it's fruits.
It's a coconut.
It's a coconut nut. And you can see it's like there's oil.
Okay, threads.
Okay, magbibideo ako dito.
Oo.
Pag-YouTube po natin yun po yung we're still here in Forest Crest here in Batangas. You can see the wave pool. Yeah. It's exciting to experience the wave pool here in Forest Crest. Wow, you're like in the natural sea experience. Oh, there's a shower. You look at the shower. Nice.
And the sun. Tita, man. The sun.
Yeah, the sun. You look at the sun. Like, it's not like in Boracay, but you have it. So you can try. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, pintas po. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait lang po. May update.